Hello everyone, my name is Sabina Volchanova. I'm working as a ServiceNow developer in digital and software solution. Today I will show you how to automate an incident with Flow Designer. First, we go to the Flow Designer. Okay, we are in the studio. After that, we go to Flows, New, Flow. Okay. Then Flow Designer is the name. Build Flow. Okay. So our trigger is going to be an incident like this with category hardware and state that changed to resolved. Okay. So as a trigger, update record. We write down incident table, conditions. We set category is hardware and state changes to resolved. Okay, this is our trigger. As an action, we're going to send a notification. Okay. As an action input record, we take from the data bill record incident. Okay, and the notification that we need, I already did it. Incident priority raised. Okay, and we activate the flow. Okay, and now we are going to test it. As a result, we should have an email with the incident number that state was resolved. Okay. The resolution information, here we fill some information and now save. Okay, let's go to the emails log. And as you can see, our incident was resolved. You can see here also from the execution we have one completed, and this is the record that we update, and we send successfully notification. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, you can subscribe to our channel.